Sometimes things are the total opposite of what they look. For example, if we look up Bitcoin's price on Google and put it on max, we find this weird line, looking like the Loch Ness Monster. It shows us Bitcoin's price history, but this graph has a very serious problem. It looks like almost nothing happened in the first 10 years, and then suddenly the price goes up and down, unpredictably and unreliably. But this is an optical illusion, because in 2010, one Bitcoin cost 15 cents, but in 2020, one Bitcoin cost $15,000. That's 100,000 times increase. But in 2026, one Bitcoin cost only $90,000. That's only a 6 times increase. So what's going on here? The problem is actually right here, in the scale that we're using. Google shows us Bitcoin's price on a linear scale, which is useful for counting things, but terrible at showing growth. To see growth in equal measure, we use a logarithmic scale. On this scale, the numbers are arranged in such a way that equal distances show us equal percentage growth. Scientists use the logarithmic scale to measure natural phenomena such as earthquakes, sound volume, and population growth, and investors use it to measure prices. When we look up Bitcoin's price on the logarithmic scale, the picture changes completely. Now we can see that the move from 2010 to 2020 is much bigger than the move from 2020 to 2026 on the logarithmic scale. First, we see the long-term uptrend, and second, we see that the uptrend is divided into cycles with periods of rapid growth followed by sharp corrections. The growth periods are called bull runs, and on average they last 3 years, and the corrections are called bear markets, and on average they last 1 year. Right now we are in the bear market. So when people say that Bitcoin's price goes up and it's a good investment, or the opposite, both are correct. But when we look at the bigger picture, the pattern is clear. Bitcoin's price grows and stabilizes over time, which is the opposite of what it looks like at first, because